Okay, so we are going to get a router, switch, 2 PCs, okay, and our straight through, that Ethernet. I want that to be 001. You'll see why I did that. Switch. And I want PC3 to be on 000. In my head, it's just easier that way for literally no reason. So just turn that off, put our little piece in there, and then this is going to boot up. Maybe I should pause this. Okay, it dialed up. Okay, so we always put no in our enable. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're going to give her a name. Oh, wait. That one is just blocking little messages from coming up. And then we're going to enable. Okay. So we're entering our cable. And we're gonna password on it. Oops. Password on this one too. Okay. Now we are going to enter this port, which is going to be connected to PC3. Because this Ethernet cable is connected to the switch, this is connected to this port. Okay. So we're just going to give that port an IP address. And then we're going to turn it on. Then we're going to exit. We're going to do the same for our other port. And this port has this cable in there, right? So this PC will be in that port, obviously, will be on that network. So instead of 1.1, we're putting 2.1. It's a new network. Okay. Turn on. Exit. Okay, so he's gonna have us put a description on one of those ports so we remember which PC it goes to. in this case. So I've already exited out of both of them. Let's enter our description is going to remind us what computer or PC it's supposed to be connected to. I'm just going to put my description as PC3. Exit. Now we're going to our serial. Give this one an IP address. That is different from both our ports. Turn on, exit. That's all you have to do on the router. And now we're going to go over to our switch. Add an IP address for our VLAN 1. And that can be the same as our 0/0/0 IP address, or network. No shut. Okay. So now we have to put these on the right IP address. So I'm giving this 4. And the reason that it's 1.4 and its default gateway is 1.1 is because it's using this cable connecting through our switch, connecting to that port that is 0/0/0, which we gave the IP address 192.168.1.1. So they're going to be on the same network. Exit out of that, make sure it's saved right. Q. Now I have to do the same for this one, and then you have to put it on the right network. I'm just going to put 4 again. Doesn't really matter what you put that last number as, you're just making up an IP address. Okay. Just double checking. And now we're trying to ping. So let's try to communicate. See if we did it right or we did it wrong. And we did it right. Because I've done this like 5 million times trying to get it in my head. And that is that! Yay! Oh my god. We did it. Oh my god. Good job.